Question number 1.5. When a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, charges appear on both. A similar phenomenon is observed with many other pair of bodies. Explain how this observation is consistent with the law of conservation of charges. Very simple. You see, if we consider same size, same material. Okay, same size, same material means if, for example, two objects having same size and same material, for example, made up of iron. So you take A object and B, both also same size and same material. Suppose this having 10Q charge, this also having 10Q charge, means how to find the total charge of the value? Very simple. Before contact, the total value 20. Very, very important. Before contact, total value 20Q. Right, okay. Next, if we contact each other, so now in a contact, how many charges? Total 20 charges. That is 20, total value. Then again you separate, after contact, then separate. The how much charges is transfer? Again divided by 2, you will get what? 10Q. So each object having 10Q charge. So that is the formula Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2. Only for same size and same material. Suppose the size and the material is different. The sizes are different materials. Suppose sizes different or materials different. What happened? Here you see, suppose the size and materials different means, so this is the, for example, 10Q, for example 10Q, or generally you take 10. 10 means total positive charge and negative charge combined. That is what? Neutral position. Another ball is different size, small size. This is for example 10Q, the charge. This is a 10Q charge. The size is different. So before contact, total charge is 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Before contact. After contact, suppose here 5 charges. Suppose 5 positive charge transfer to second object, means same 5 charge transfer to this first object, minus 5 charges. Here plus 5 transfer means suppose opposite charge, negative charge, 5 charges transferred to here. So now you see total 10, then it will split at 5 plus 5, the 5 positive charge to second ball. Like that, in second ball 10 charges, from the second ball 5 minus 5 charges transfer to first ball. So again you add all the values, again you will get 20Q only. So it what? 5 charges transfer to second object now. Same opposite 5 charges transfer to first object. That means if you add all the charges, total value remains conserved. That means what? Remains same. There is nothing but conservation of charges. So charges does not destroy. It always remain same only. Before contact, then after contact. That is called the conservation of charges.